So right in this area, this is the beautiful part about Snap-on. Nobody else does this better than Snap-on. The data display, the recordings going back, looking at data. Right in this area is where I was at wide open throttle, and you can see the throttle like coming in and out, like throttle being, so we're clear, I'm wide open throttle on the gas pedal, the APP up top, and the TPS is our indication of what the computer's doing with the motor, the throttle actuator. And you can see that the TPS in here is, like, look at that frame. I'm looking at TPS 2, and I'm looking at that spike right there, and I'm showing 4.8 volts. And then in the next frame, we're down to 1.7. So what's happening here? The computer is A, limiting the throttle, it's not opening fully, and B, at times it's going full throttle, and that's our surging. Our surging is because the throttle plate is not moving the way that it should be in relation to the APP. There are many scenarios here, and I don't want to talk about all of them yet, but we're troubleshooting live, and I'm processing what I'm thinking out loud as best I can.